something for someone special?
Wanted to do something special, you know what I mean? Just to show a little sentiment, you know what I mean?
Showing this sentiment to a special lady?
Family.
Family. Okay. What do you think about this one here?
Well, yeah. It's nice. I think it will work. I think it can work.
Yeah?
You know what I mean? Thanks.
Nice
Thanks
to
for
meet
your
you.
help. Alright?
Alright.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, man, I'm trying to reach Miss Williams. Is she there?
This is not here at the moment. Would you like to leave a message?
Alright. This is Kemar. I'm trying to, let her know that I'm gonna be available for the appointment. And actually, I'm gonna be here a little bit early at the Matthews spot, yeah.
Wait, did you say Kemar? Is that Kemar Scott?
Yeah. So just let her know that I'm there and I'm gonna be waiting. Alright?
Call Miss Williams and tell her the details so you guys can meet up. Okay?
Okay. No problem, man. No problem. So you're gonna thank you so much. Thank you very much. Alright, so I'm gonna be there early. Respect. Alright.
Hello, Mrs. Williams. Kemar called. He said he will be at Matthews, and I've already left the documents in the car. Okay.
You have reached the voicemail box of
Hey, babes.
Hello? Terence? Where are you? I'm at Matthew's for about an hour now waiting on you.
Ah, swear. You know something just I never remember. I get tied up in our own business, mate.
What do you mean by you forget? We had this date planned for how long now and you tell me say you forget about meeting? Come on, you have to do better than that.
I'm sorry about that, man. Honestly, I'm sorry.
What? Really? But then you're away to... Hello? Hello?
You know, I don't usually do this. This can't be like the last time, then. You need to take this serious, you know?
You know, lift that the woman you know.
Yeah, worry about soon left her, man. I just don't want to just end it, so I want to kind of just take my time and ease her off a little bit. You see me?
How long? A full time now, you know. Every time I same thing you tell me, same thing you tell me over and over. A full time for you end it now.
I think you understand the situation, you know. Honest to God, so I think you understand the situation. Remember, so when you come, she there before, you know. She there before, so I at least have to just give myself a little time and give her a little time and then just take time, ease her off. You understand? So you just have to just wait. Just relax man and stop first. Just wait.
So it shouldn't be that hard, right? Thank you for taking the time out because I really appreciate that you're busy and you take the time out for me. And I mean, I appreciate it.
Alright, I'm in a rush, so I have to go. So next Wednesday, 10 o'clock, my office. Don't be late. And make sure you have the assignment. Alright?
Ah, no problem, man. That's easy.
Good evening, sir. My phone died on me out there. By any chance, could I get a phone call from you, please?
No problem, you know what I mean? No problem. Sit there. Sit there.
Ah, thank you very much.
Just press the thing and open it.
Yes, I know what to do.
Alright.
Yeah.
Because you enjoy sex, you know. But so I'll be yours.
I wish my mother for call me. But that's all she know.
Hello? Samantha?
Hey,
It's Tori.
Tori. Walk one.
I'm up on the road right now and I've just been having a terrible evening. Yeah, like, long story short, I got stood up again. So I'm just there wonder if I could have come over to your place and just relax a little for the evening. Like, I could just really use some girl time right now.
Girl, I know something at the home right.
Yeah, you're not at home? Alright, but you'll get there soon though.
No. Just give her around 15 to 20 minutes, man. Just finish up for me and do night on and then I go home.
Alright, around that time, if I leave now, I can reach your place around the same time. Alright, thank you girl, thank you so much. Alright, soon leave out. Meet you there. Alright.
Yo, I go see if I can hurry up and cut before she reach you because it's true story them have to make sense. Cause if you tell her say don't like town and me tell her some of their work, that have to make sense and you cut. You see?
After me never expect her to stay until she come.